welcome you all in one more cool episode of Cool Guru Cool. Today in the session of World Tour, we are going to study about one new country. And which country is that? We are going to study about Canada. And do you know Canada belongs to which continent? Canada comes in North America continent. There are 7 continents in the world. And what are they? They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Now we will sing the continent song. Do you remember the continent song? Let's sing it together. The world is split up into continents. There are 7 in all. If you make a gist, we'll make a list from big to small. That is Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, finally Australia. Nice song, isn't it? Now we are going to study about the third largest continent of the world, which is North America. And in North America, there are many countries, but we are going to study about Canada. Let's start with the map of Canada. See, this is the map of Canada country. It has Arctic Ocean in the north. In the south, it has United States of America. In the east, it has Labrador Sea, and in the west, it has United States and Pacific Ocean. And the capital city of Canada country is Ottawa. Next is the flag of Canada country. This is the flag of Canada. It is a red color flag and it has a white square in the middle. And in this white square, they have one leaf of maple tree. Moving forward, we will see the national animal of Canada. This is the national animal of Canada. It is called as beaver. Beaver is a very hard-working animal and it has lot of significance in the history of Canada, and that is why it is declared as its national animal. Next is the national fruit of Canada. Canada doesn't have a specific national fruit, but mostly they eat apple, which is called as Macintosh, and blueberries. The next is the national cuisine of Canada. People in Canada mostly eat poutine, which is made up of cheese, fries and gravy and curd, and they enjoy it a lot. After cuisine, we will see the national sport of Canada. This is lacrosse. This is the summer sport of Canada. That means in the summertime, people mostly play lacrosse. And in the winter time, when there is lot of snowfall in Canada, people mostly play ice hockey. Ice hockey is their winter sport. Now, the last but very important thing, the national currency of Canada. The national currency of Canada is Canadian dollar. It looks like this. Now, it's rhyme time. You all have to sing with me.
This is Canada, this is Canada, lovely country, lovely country. It's second largest country. They eat apple, blueberry, poutine is their favorite cuisine. Canadian dollar is national currency, is national currency. Their summer sport is lacrosse, ice hockey is winter sport, flag has leaf of maple tree. National animal is beaver, is beaver. They speak French and English, would go there someday I wish. country Canada comes in North America.
So, this was all about the country Canada, which lies in North America continent. And I hope that you all might have loved to learn about Canada country. So this was all about today's session in Cool Gurukul. We'll meet next time to have lot more fun. Till then, keep watching Cool Gurukul and keep enjoying. Bye.